Welcome to Sotiriadis Mining Works, where raw power meets modern engineering. Today we showcase the mighty Caterpillar 6015B Excavator, a machine built for maximum productivity and durability. Watch as it loads heavy-duty Mercedes-Benz and MAN dump trucks, working together in perfect harmony to keep this large-scale mining operation moving forward. The Caterpillar 6015B Excavator is one of the most powerful machines in Caterpillar's fleet, designed specifically for heavy mining and quarrying operations. Equipped with a front shovel bucket capacity of up to 15 cubic meters, 20 cubic yards, it can move massive amounts of material in each cycle. Powered by a Cat C27 Acert diesel engine delivering around 813 horsepower, 606 kilowatters, the 6215B offers both raw strength and fuel efficiency. With an operating weight of 140 metric tons, this excavator is engineered for stability even under extreme workloads. Its advanced hydraulic system ensures faster cycle times, improving overall mine productivity. The Mercedes-Benz Arocs and MAN TGS dump trucks seen here are built to endure the toughest mining conditions, offering high payload capacity and reliable performance. Together, these machines form a seamless loading and hauling system, optimizing efficiency and reducing downtime at Sotiriadis Mining Works. The Caterpillar 6015B Excavator, paired with Mercedes-Benz and MAN dump trucks, represents the backbone of modern mining operations: strength, speed, and reliability. Stay tuned for more heavy machinery in action, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful mining and construction videos.